Sikkim government has allowed hotels, homestays and all tourism-related services to resume operation from October 10. It was decided last week after a high-level meeting which was attended by Chief Minister P.S. Thamang. Meanwhile, Tourism Department has already prepared a draft SOPs and guidelines. Here's the report. Sikkim government has decided to reopen the state for tourists, both domestic and foreign, from October 10th after a gap of 7 months. As per a notification issued by the State Home Department on Saturday stated, it has been decided to allow free interstate movement of people without any requirement of registration with effect from 1st of October. And also permit hotels, homestays and other tourism-related services to operate from 10th of October. In Sikkim, the decision to reopen tourism was made after Chief Minister P.S. Thamang met various stakeholders in Gangtok last week and acknowledged that the state's economy had been a beating because of the COVID-dedicated tourist ban. Kapil Meena, Additional Secretary cum Director, said Tourism Department has already prepared a draft SOPs and guidelines. We just needed a final approval after discussing with the State Health Department.
Tourism operations will restart from 10th of October. Tourism Department has made SOP for various stakeholders. We have made a standard process which is draft only. We have made it for reopening of tourism. So we have given various steps how we can reopen tourism. That the plan is to reopen tourism in a phased manner and in a controlled way. One major provision is the tourist will have to pre-register in a web portal which is developed by the Tourism Department. Another thing is we are also planning to have an empaneled list of hotels, empaneled list of tourism units which can be allowed to operate in the phase 1. So it will be selected number of hotels which will adhere, which will stick to the guidelines of COVID-19.
Meanwhile, inner line permits for foreign tourists having valid visas shall be issued from October 10th, and bookings for hotels and homestays complying with the SOPs will start from 27th September. Sikkim had barred foreign tourists from March 5th and domestic ones from March 17th, the first Indian state to do so in the wake of the pandemic. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.